Zoom is a video conferencing software that in recent times went from 10 million daily active users to more than the population of most countries' daily active users, if you know what I mean. Of course, due to the times we're in. So to answer the how before the why, zoom.us is the website URL. Zoom has other packages, but I'll be using the free plan anyway. That's the button you want to click on to sign up for Zoom. Plug in your date of birth, your email, then check your email for verification, which will direct you to this page to input your name and create a strong password. Skip this step and now you have your personal meeting URL. So let's go to my account and set things up. And by things, I just mean profile picture. Awesome, now we want to host a meeting. You could start up a video meeting or audio only, or share your screen for others to see. Kinda like what I'm doing right now. On this next page, a Zoom client will get downloaded on your computer, get the installation done, and Zoom will get launched. Then join with computer audio. This is the point where you see yourself on the screen. This black screen you see is supposed to be me, but my webcam is total trash, so I blocked it out. Let's just pretend you can see yourself. Down here is a couple buttons. Mute mutes your audio, if that makes any sense. It basically turns your audio off so other people can't hear what you're saying. Same thing goes for video. Toggling it off will show your profile picture, or something like this if everyone is on audio only. Under security, you can lock meetings so no one can come in, enable or disable waiting rooms so people can either wait to be accepted or can straight up jump into the conversation. A lot of the features are self-explanatory. Manage participants lets you manage the members of the conference. Chats lets you send messages and files to everyone or specific members. Share screen lets you share your screen, do some whiteboarding, and more. Record lets you record the entire session and the video will be saved to your computer after the meeting. And reactions lets you, well, give an emoji clap or give a thumbs up. The button right here is where you can see your meeting ID, password, and invitation URL to invite people to join. Here's a totally different computer, and instead of hosting, I'm gonna join the meeting we created. After entering the meeting ID and installing Zoom, input the meeting password. You'll join the waiting room and the host will have to accept you. If waiting room wasn't enabled, you jump right into the conversation. This webcam is also trash and that's why it's blocked right here. You can switch views up here and that's about it. There are additional settings you can check out, and if you want to leave, click this button anytime. They do have a mobile version and it has the same concept. So why shouldn't you use Zoom? Well, you're probably using Zoom right now because you don't have a choice. A lot of schools and workplaces still use Zoom. But Zoom has had serious security issues, even causing big companies to ban the use of Zoom in their organizations. But the good news is, Zoom understands the security concerns and is said to be actively working with third parties to bump up their security. Zoom might not be a very safe place right now, but in the future, it might be. So right now, I'll be leaving you with two solid alternatives to Zoom, which are Google Hangouts Meet and the good old Microsoft Skype.